Congratulations, handlers. You're halfway through the 2024 Master Amateur Invitational. We're on to series number 4. We're trying to find Sasquatch. That's what we're going to call this series because we have a Sasquatch theme for this national being in the Pacific Northwest. A little humor there. This is a big test. This is going to be one of the more difficult, challenging series you're going to see out of this invitational. If you survive this test, you got a little harder 5th and a very, very hard 6th. This is the kind of test you hope you have a handle sitting in your back pocket because you may need it, and here's why I say that. If you analyze this series, we've got a walk-up, a triple, and a diversion bird. A lot going on here. Walk-up bird is going to come out of this heavy cover, throwing down the shore, landing in that semi-tall cover. All right, that's bird number 1. That's your walk-up. Bird number 2 is down this little bit of a point. It's throwing down to about the middle to the end of that point off that tall shrub that you see in the foreground there. That's where the gun station will be, and again, it's throwing farther away. And then bird number 3 is under the arc of bird number 1, your walk-up bird. So it's under the arc. So the flyer is along that ridge line, throwing down the ridge, a little bit downhill. There's some semi-high cover sitting right there. Okay, you send your dog for the flyer. Right now you got a really tight walk-up bird and a tight to the line flyer. So you're gonna get the flyer first or you're gonna get the walk-up first. Really depends on your dog, right? So now you pick up one, you gotta come back and analyze it. Do you pick up the other or do you go for number 2? Now here's a word of caution on number 2. Look at the heavier cover sitting here right past the road, okay? So the dogs, if they deflect off of that and go right, oh man, you're really tempting danger here because that's the return to the old fall. You don't want to have a dog stop where that walk-up bird was. If you go left, it pushes them away from the line and they're going to end up behind the gun, and will they find it or not? It's really a tough call. So this cover is going to play a significant role in how your dogs are handling this scenario. Now, we got the 4th option here. So we get this middle or this left bird down the point. As you come back from that bird, a diversion is going to come out and land, as the dogs see it, somewhere along that semi-cut grass there along that ridge line. So a lot going on here. This is a big, big test. Hopefully it won't take very long on time, but it's a doozy. Take a deep breath. Enjoy it. Hopefully you do well and succeed, and we'll move on to the 5th. So again, a big 4th series. Walk up, flyer under the arc of the walk up, and a diversion bird, and a difficult left-hand bird here as well down the point. Good luck, everyone. Hope you do well.